We're excited to introduce you to the Waterfall Mansion, one of the most unique and significant properties in Manhattan. Hi, I'm Michelle Griffith.
And I'm Chanel Corby.
Let's take a look around. A celebration of light, open space, luxuriousness, green living, and a work of art unto itself. This home has too many refinements to mention, such as a 1,000-bottle wine cellar, 2,300 square foot spa lounge with jacuzzi, sauna, gym, and massage room, an elevator, and a LEED certified HVAC system. The creative collaboration of boutique real estate developer Kate Shin and renowned architect Toshiko Mori has transformed this historic 1899 carriage house into a breathtaking, tranquil oasis. Upon entering this masterpiece residence via the blackened stainless steel front gate, patterned with leaves to replicate speckled light from trees, you will be instantly awed by the allure of this one-of-a-kind gem. Greeting you beyond the center double doors and welcoming foyer is a wonderful gallery space with professional lighting that can accommodate an art collection of any size. Dramatic yet equally soothing is the spectacular waterfall with reflecting pool and sculpture garden that inspired the mansion's name. Welcome to the grand entertaining space with a luxurious living room, open kitchen, and magnificent dining room overlooking the serene waterfall through floor-to-ceiling windows. The entertaining space is highlighted by a 50-foot light well rising through the center to draw in the light. The top-of-the-line commercial-grade kitchen with lacquered quarter-sewn walnut cabinets and flooring, black and white slate counters, Inca gray natural stone backsplash, professional Thermador appliances including a gas range, dishwasher, and wine cooler. Start and end your day in the chic lounge of the master suite with its own private terrace. The opulent master bath is adorned with a Kohler cast iron tub, radiant heat white statuary marble tile floors, floor-to-ceiling honed Calcutta Italian mosaic tile walls, and top-grade Toto fixtures.
Comfort is found on the versatile fourth floor with two bright and spacious bedrooms, two spa-like baths, and a charming brick terrace. You'll enjoy solace with inspiring views highlighted by 14-foot floor-to-ceiling windows in both the north and south-facing rooms. There are 4 motorized windows for optimal light and ventilation, 2 sleek spa-like marble baths with the finest fixtures and radiant heat floors complete this top floor living level. Experience the enchanting roof garden with Upper East Side views. The planted roof garden with the wooden deck is an outdoor lover's dream and an ideal spot for reading, relaxing, gardening, and entertaining.
Thanks for joining us on the tour. See you next time.